Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sumrit Hajra. Today I'm gonna show you how to export 3D models with texture in Blender. So let's get started. So now let's open up Blender. And in Blender we will open up General. And in General we have the default cube around. So for this video I am going to apply a image texture to this. So first I will just convert our viewpoint shading to material preview mode by pressing Z, and here we have the material preview mode. And now we can see the textures. So for applying the image texture we have to go to this material properties, then we have to go to this base color yellow icon, and then I will select image texture from here. Next I will open an image texture. This is the texture image that I have applied to this cube. Now for exporting this I will just go to file, then I will go to export, then I will go to FBX. For exporting meshes with texture we need to select the FBX format. So the next thing we need to do is go to operator presets, and there we have to select the path mode from auto to copy. Then we have to select embed textures. Next thing we will do here is limit to selected objects. We have to choose this option, and then we have to click on mesh. Now we can export the FBX to anywhere we want, and click on export FBX. So now I will just delete this and import the FBX to check if it's working or not. So I have imported the FBX and the FBX is working. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.